two men, two encounters with technology beyond human comprehension. One studied the materials, the other, the machine itself. Dr. Stephen Greer has spent decades collecting testimonies from military insiders involved in crash retrieval programs. He speaks of objects recovered from these incidents, built not by tools or hands, but by something else entirely.
Is this the beginning origin point of a reverse engineering program?
Some of the UFO crash retrieval material, we've looked at it and we've found that the materials used are very strange.
When extraterrestrial material is recovered through military crash retrievals and its metallic structure is examined under a microscope, the metal is so pure that we could not replicate it, even in a vacuum in space. This is because extraterrestrial crafts are not manufactured on a Ford assembly line the way humans would manufacture something. Everything in the material universe has a frequency and a corresponding sound vibration that creates and sustains its being. Extraterrestrials manufacture objects by first creating a resonant frequency. For instance, the frequency of a flying saucer. This is a sort of vibrational blueprint that interacts with the substrate of the physical universe, pulling into existence from other dimensions atoms and molecules that then organize and condense into the structure of the object being created. In this way, extraterrestrial material is literally manifested into being, like transdimensional 3D printing or Star Trek's replicator technology.
What if objects can be created not through assembly lines, but through resonance and energy? A kind of vibrational technology that brings matter into existence, not unlike ancient creation myths or futuristic replication devices. Then there's Bob Lazar, who claims to have worked at a facility built to study recovered crafts firsthand. While Greer discusses the science, Lazar focuses on the experience, what it felt like to be inside one of these vehicles.
So you're going into this craft, and what are you thinking when you're inside of it? Like, what are you seeing?
It's a very ominous feeling because there are no, first of all, everything is one color. It's like a dark pewter color, and there are no right angles anywhere. It's as if somebody took, I've said this before, somebody took a model and fashioned it out of wax and then heated it just for a short time so everything melted. Everything looks like it's fused together. Everything has a radius of curvature where two items meet. It's a really weird looking thing, but there was almost nothing other than a small foldable hatchway that looked recognizable. Everything was really unworldly, to pick a way to describe it.
One account offers a window into how such a craft could be formed from vibration and frequency. The other confirms what such a reality would look and feel like from within. Together, these perspectives suggest a form of engineering that challenges everything we thought we understood. This is not simply reverse engineering. This is an invitation to rediscover the laws of reality itself through the lens of technology not of this earth.